Now I shall start question number 7 of exercise 4.3 of quadratic equation. Now listen the question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Then find the numbers. Now listen. Let larger number equal to x and smaller number equal to y. At first I have taken two variables x and y. Then I shall convert the two variables in one, because quadratic equation is always explained in one variable. Okay. Now listen. The second statement is given, the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So smaller number is y I have taken. So you write y square equal to 8 into x. X means larger number. Okay. Now this is the equation number 1. And again in the question it is written that difference of the square of the number, that is larger number square minus smaller number square, is 180. The larger number is x square. So I have written here x square minus y square equal to 180. In place x square you write down, and in place of y square you write down 8x, because as per question y square equal to 8x. So in place of y square I have written 8x equal to 180. From where I have taken it? From equation 1. So write here. Now it is a equation in one variable. So x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Okay. Now a equal to 1, b equal to minus 8 and c equal to minus 180. When the numbers are large, then we always should apply the quadratic formula, not the factorization formula. Okay. Now discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. So minus 8 square minus 4 into 182 minus 180. So 64 minus plus 720. After adding we get 784. Now root d equal to 28, because 28 into 28 equal to 784. Now write the formula. Only you write the plus formula. Okay. Now x equal to minus b plus root d by 2a. So minus 8 plus 28 by 2 into 1. Now calculation. After calculation 8 plus 28 by 2. So 36 by 2. So it is 18. Now larger number equal to 18 and smaller number y. What I have written in equation number 1, y square equal to 8x. So y equal to root under 8x, because when we remove square then we use root. Okay. Now 8 into 18, in place of x you write here 18, and 8 into 18 whose square root is 12. Okay, because 8 into 18 equal to 144 and whose square root is 12. So larger number equal to 18 and smaller number equal to 12. Now next question. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour. So find the speed of the train. Okay. Now listen. The speed of the train changes. Initially the speed of the train equal to x km per hour, and distance travelled is given 360 km. So time formula of time equal to distance by speed. So 360 by x and unit is hour, and this is equation number 1. Finally, the speed of the train becomes 5 km per hour more, so it will be x plus 5 km per hour, and distance is 360 km. So time equal to distance by speed. So 360 by x plus 5 hour. This is equation number 2. And it is given in the question the difference of the two time is 1 hour. So at first you think what is the greater time? I have told it earlier that when speed is more, then time will be less. Okay. So here in which equation speed is more? In this equation 2 speed is more. So equation 1 will be greater time. So I have written here equation 1 minus equation 2 equal to 1. So 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 equal to 1. So you take common 360. So 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 1. Now you take LCM of these two, x and x plus 5. You divide at first, so x cancel, x plus 5 remains, and minus x plus 5 cancel by dividing, so x into 1 x equal to 1 by 360. Okay. Now x cancel, so 5 by x square plus 5s equal to 1 by 360. Now by applying by cross multiplication method, x square plus 5s into 1, that is x square plus 5s equal to 5 into 360 equal to 1800. Now 1800 will come in the left hand side. So x square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to 5, c equal to minus 1800. Now take out d, discriminant, which formula is b square minus 4ac. So 5 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1800. Now 5 square, that is 25, minus minus plus, and after multiply we get 7200, and after adding 7225. Now square root of 7225, that is root under d, that is 85, because 85 into 85 equal to 7225. Now formula. Only one formula you always write, because in this question no two roots are required, only one root, which is positive. So I have taken this first formula, x equal to minus b plus root d by 2a. Now put the values. Now get 80 by 2, that is 40. So speed of train is 40 km per hour. Understand? Now go to next question, number 9. Two taps together fill a tank in 9 and 3 by 8 hours, and tap of larger diameter takes x hours less than the smaller one. So find the time for each taps to fill the tank. Means two taps are there which are filling a tank, water tank. One is tap of larger diameter and other is tap of smaller diameter. I have written here, the tap of larger diameter takes x hours to fill the tank, and tap of smaller one takes x plus 10 hours. Okay. Then in 1 hour both taps fill 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10 part. This. So in 9 and 3 by 8 hours, this is the total time to fill the tank. Both taps fill 9 and 3 by 8 into 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10 part. So as per question, this time this takes to fill the whole tank, which is one part. One means one part. One part means whole tank. Okay. So 75 by 8 into this. Now take LCM, x and x plus 10. So x cancel, x plus 10, here plus x. Now 2x plus 10 by x square plus 10 equal to, this 8 will go here and 75 will come here. That is cross multiplication. Now 2 you take common between these two, x plus 5 by x square plus 10x. And here 8 can be written as 2 into 4 by 75, because 2 and 2 will cancel. Now after cross multiplication, 4 into x square plus 10x equal to 75 into x plus 5, because 2 cancel. Now break the bracket. 4x square plus 40x minus 75x minus 375 equal to 0. All the terms are in left hand side now. Now 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. Now D, dilute I have taken out here D equal to B square minus 4AC. You put the values, A is 4, B is minus 35, C is minus 375. And after calculation you get D equal to 7225 and root D equal to 85. Since 85 into 85 equal to 7225. Now write the formula of x minus b plus root d by 2a. Now put the values only, minus 35 plus 85 by 2 into 4, and after calculation you will get 120 by 8, that is 15. So x is 15. So tap of larger diameter takes x hours to fill the tank and tap of smaller diameter takes 15 plus 10, that is 25 hours to fill the tank. Okay.